bud. High five. Oh! Got another frog. Oh my gosh, I do not like this. We need to hook this guy up with that guy down there. Hurry that close to frogs. That's fast.
I'm making a National Geographic movie.
Are you really?
It's called Three's Company.
They're pulling a mess.
Don't go away, little dude. Come on over. There's plenty for everybody. Don't go away. Why, Mr. Toad, I think that's your best side. Come on, move along.
Don't touch it with your...
Come on. So go on over, dude.
I don't like this game. Ellie, we don't like this